The ConvertKit lead magnet automation is a done-for-you automation, workflow, form, and sequence of emails that you can import directly into your ConvertKit account. If you have a freebie, a lead magnet, and you use ConvertKit, then this is the ideal solution to help you build relationships with your list and to convert your list into paying subscribers. So what is it? It's essentially an automation, an email sequence, and a form, a sign-up form that you can import directly into your ConvertKit account and start using right away. The best way to convert new subscribers into clients is to build relationship. And so this automation allows you to do just that. It has a battle-tested formula of 3 emails where you follow up immediately with the free thing that they've just requested. Then you hit them with more value, and then you ask them for help before they go into your general welcome sequence. This happens as a precursor to that. So for every lead magnet, every opt-in bribe that you give, this is the precursor. This is the sequence that follows up with immense amounts of value and does the most important thing, which is allows you to build relationship. Because remember, relationship is the key to converting your subscribers into paying clients. When you download this product, you also get access to the free mini course. The mini course is helpful because you get me walking you hand in hand, step by step, on how to implement the form, the automation, and the email sequence in your business directly. So we do it together. I walk you through step by step, and you just import into your account, change up some of the details, and away you go. And then the beauty of this automation is you can just rinse and repeat. You can duplicate for as many lead magnets as you have or as you create in the future, and it will grow with you as you grow your business, as you build relationships that convert people into paying clients for you.